Welcome to Stormwater Drainage Solutions. In this video, we will be talking about reinforced concrete pipe, commonly referred to as RCP. Let's go ahead and get started. This is a retention pond overflow box that allows the controlled release of water downstream as the pond fills up. We are going to send a camera inside this RCP system that has been in the ground since the early 1980s and see what conditions the pipes are in. RCP has actually been in use since the late 1860s. It is made from high-strength concrete with a steel cage skeleton that provides tensile strength to the concrete's compressive strength. The combination of these two materials make an effective pipe designed for handling heavy loads and a long service life. Some concrete pipes can also come fitted with liners such as HDPE plastic to increase the pipe's durability in sanitary sewer or other specialized applications where the environment will have corrosive elements the pipe needs to handle. Here is a large RCP mainline being installed in a new development. Each pipe joint has an EPDM rubber gasket that makes a watertight seal when the two pipes are pushed together. But notice how there is a black non-woven geotextile filter fabric around the outside of the pipe at each seam. This acts as an insurance policy in case that rubber gasket either fails over time or was damaged during the installation process. Basically, the storm pipe will leak water, but the geotextile fabric will keep soil and sediment from being pulled into the seam, creating sinkholes in the ground above. As we make our way down this RCP lateral line, you can see pitting in the concrete towards the bottom of the pipe, but the top of the pipe looks almost new. This could likely be caused by herbicides, pesticides, fertilizers that get washed into the pond and make their way through the pipe. This is the EPDM rubber gasket that I mentioned earlier that makes a watertight seal. Now, there are a few types of RCP connections, but the two most common are tongue and groove and spigot and bell end. While both connection types are good, bell and spigot end is preferred due to its superior water tightness, easier alignment during installation, and it has a greater flexibility compared with tongue and groove. This allows it to shift with ground movement over time and not separate as easily, while maintaining a better watertight seal. Another really interesting characteristic about concrete pipe is that they can actually heal themselves over time. If the pipe develops minor cracks up to 0.3 to 0.4 millimeters, it can effectively heal through a process called autogenous healing. The way this works is water in the pipe triggers the crystallization of the calcium hydroxide that is present in the concrete and the carbon dioxide in the air. As this reaction happens, minor cracks in the concrete fill in with calcium carbonate crystals, effectively sealing them. At this point in the run, our camera falls down into a distribution box and capsizes, but this gives us an opportunity to open the manhole up and show you guys down inside this distribution box where the pipes merge. So did you notice when I was down in that storm structure that the entire thing was made out of brick and mortar? Nowadays, it pretty much all comes precast. You can get head walls, catch basins, distribution boxes, storm inlets, pretty much anything you can imagine will come precast. Back in the day, the old timers, they didn't have this. They had to build it out of brick and mortar on the site. In the older neighborhoods, you can see in the storm drains, there's a lot more character, there's a lot more style to them. In the newer neighborhoods, it's all precast. All right, guys, well, I think that just about does it for this video we did on reinforced concrete pipe. If you enjoyed it and you learned something, give us a thumbs up. It really supports us. It supports the channel. If you're a drainage nerd, then you have found the right channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay up to date on all the latest videos that we have coming out. And until next time, this is Stormwater Drainage Solutions signing off.